Look around. We are surrounded by some of the world's greatest and amazing audio video brands and their products. But wait, do you know why we have kept them here? Because they are all made in China. Hello everyone, my name is Tanmay Mehta, an electronic consultant at Touchwood Automations, and today we are going to talk about all these consumer electronic products which are manufactured in China. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications, because in our next video we are going to talk about top 7 consumer electronic companies that are make in India products that you should consider before making a Chinese purchase. Now, one of the most common statements that each one of you has ever said is, so what that if it's made in China? Apple is made in China too. But do you know that it's not just the case with Apple? Almost 70% of the world's consumer electronic products are manufactured in China. Not just that, the products which are not manufactured in China, almost 90% of them also have spare parts, small spare parts, which are manufactured in China. Now, why do you think that China has dominated this manufacturing of electronic products? How did China start with large electronic manufacturing hubs, and how we all have helped China become so strong in this electronic manufacturing segment? Let us all find out. China, one of the communist countries in the world, has two laws. One, which is very, very conservative, and the second has a little flavor of progressiveness in it. Now, China, since the republic was formed in 1960, started being self-reliant. Now, what is self-reliant? Well, in modern times or in today's times, we call it as Atmanirbhar. Now, they started becoming self-reliant or Atmanirbhar in the year 1960, and they started doing it by shutting the doors for the world outside, so that they could do all the things by themselves. They could manufacture all the things which they need in their country. But during late 1980s, they realized that to make more money, they need to open the doors. And this was the time when they decided to create this second law, which had a progressiveness in it. And this they did by creating a special economic zone. Now, this special economic zones were created so that they could attract foreign investment, they could create job opportunities for people, and they could influence or attract a lot of foreign companies to get into China and create good economic reforms for their country. Now, after testing the first success of SEZ, China ramped up creations of many more SEZs, and they have almost today got 80 plus special economic zones. Now, these economic zones offer tax benefits to foreign investments. So that was the first benefit. The second benefit, obviously, as we all know, that China is world's most populated country, and that is the reason why they could create huge opportunities, job opportunities, and these labor were very, very cheap to afford for these international conglomerates. The third benefit is that China has high number of engineers, and these engineers came in handy when you need these kind of manufacturing hubs for these kind of complex electronic products. So these skilled laborers were easily available in China, and these are the top 3 reasons that attracted many electronic companies to shift their base from their existing countries and start manufacturing in China. Now, for instance, if I have to talk about JBL, right? JBL, one of the world's most popular electronic brand, also has their manufacturing in China. If I have to talk about a luxury product, Bang & Olufsen, a Danish luxury audiophile company, also manufactures their speaker in China. Then our own Indian radio brand, which is like a household product, Carvaan. You won't believe, obviously the company is Indian, owned by RP Goenka, but the manufactured plant is in China. Now, let's talk about some other companies. So we have a German company, Sennheiser, as you all know it. They also have their manufacturing in China. If I have to talk about the cables and accessories, so in acoustic, one of the most premium HDMI cable, speaker cable brand also has their manufacturing in China. Now, this is a German company, but they have their own manufacturing in China. Now, what do you think can be done to stop this manufacturing in China? If you already have any answers, drop them in the comments below, and we would love to know them. Now, as you see, with so many used products coming from China, how do you think we can stop it? Well, for something that I can think of is that we can actually do the same things that China did. Like for instance, create these kind of SEZs. We can create job opportunities. We can create skilled labor. But to do all that, what we need is also stable government policies, so that it can start attracting these companies, and we can soon start seeing products assembled in India and probably designed in their own parent companies or countries. Now, if you want to know that what are the make in India options for you to purchase, if you are considering any of these particular electronic purchases and you don't want to buy any Chinese items, make sure that you see us in our next video, wherein we are going to share the top 7 make in India brands that you need to consider before you make any decision to buy a consumer electronic product. Until then, like this video, make sure to share it with your network and subscribe to our channel so that you are notified, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.